Lynn. Salamat din, Bornelia, sa iyong pagdalong mo din. Thank you so much. Lynn, nakikita mo yung marka ni nagmamarka sa'yo, nanonood si Ina Tamundo at saka NPDLN. That is Minda Pidilion. It's the meaning of my channels. Nagbibigay lang ako sa'yo, iiwan ako ng bakas, pero ang nanonood kasi sa'yo yung aking mga alagad ng batas. Thank you sa yung renewal ng member mo, my dear friend. Thank you so much, Lynn. Thank you, Lynn Bornelia. Thank you so much for your support to ate. Sir Borloloy, I'm gonna shout out to you too. Okay, let me sing one more. Here I am. Here I am. Playing with those memories again. Thank you. And just when I took time, it set me free. Those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, feeling I never outgrow. Pero habang ako'y umaawit, let me watch you. Ay, baby girl. Hello, my baby girl. How are you? Si baby girl pala yung nag-renew, baby girl. Akala ko si Lindor nila. Akin palang baby. Ang baby girl ko. Through it's and every part of me has tried. Sir Borloloy, where are you, Borloloy? Borloloy pala. Baby girl. My heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Oh, malapit na tayo mag 2 years. On my own, I've tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain. Thank you, baby girl. Baby, thank you so much. But only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I did, I was over you. Tignan po natin yung nagbaba. Ano upload po niya ni baby girl. Bagong upload po ng ating solid friend. Nag-renew po. 2 years na nga. Oo, magto 2 years ka na. Pareho kayo. Marami kayo na 2 years na. Dapat kayo mga 6, siguro mga ganun, 6 kayo na mga 2 years na. Praise the Lord. Salamat sa inyong support, love and support. Thank you so much. You're such a very supportive, loving friend. There, I thank you, Nate. Please, mga minamahal, kindly go to our member of the year renewed today. Thank you so much. Ate Shawi, maraming salamat.